I was moving these plants over here, this one broke. I wrapped it up with this tiny little bungee, and it's still alive. So don't give up on your plants. Sometimes something like this that you might think is catastrophic is not that big of a deal. Pro tip. You know how your air conditioner drips a little bit of water? Stick a plant under it. You know how when you're milling your own lumber, sometimes you make a wonky cut? Save it. You'll use it for something. Building a compost bin? Use that wonky lumber. The dirt doesn't care. Freshly transplanted plant? Give it some aspirin water and some shade. Got a bunch of little plants in pots? Stick them on a big plant in a pot and save water.
Just some more pro tips here on Completely Irrelevant.
Completely?
Irrelevant.
Completely. What are you doing?
Completely irrelevant.
We gotta do it together. Completely irrelevant.
1, 2, 3. Completely irrelevant.
Bye. Come to CompletelyIrrelevant.com for more family-friendly fun and adventures and other projects and cool stuff.